Hydraulic components on crushing equipment can experience leaks and come to end of life at any moment, which could be accelerated when equipment is pushed beyond limits or ran in non-ideal conditions. If hydraulic componentry experiences issues, equipment cannot be operated until the condition is fixed. Unfortunately, this may lead to bypassing componentry and operating equipment in a subpar state. If componentry is bypassed and operated, the equipment now suffers more damage, especially if ran near design limits. Damage can come in the form of increased wear to surfaces, all the way to catastrophic machine failure. One of the key components that can be very time-consuming to replace is the bowl clamping cylinders. These cylinders experience extreme conditions when equipment is operated beyond limits, and typically course of action is to bypass cylinders until time allows for proper repair. Metso Ultratech top mount clamping cylinder arrangement allows for easy change-out of cylinders from the top of the machine with very minimal disassembly of equipment. This allows for proper repair immediately and avoiding further damage to componentry. Also, the top mount clamp cylinder design allowed for a redesign of the cylinder to address typical modes of failure and extend cylinder life to as much as 3 times the standard.